Yes, Francis, you have joined from two devices. Francis, why you joined so late? Hmm? Open your camera.
I have a poor network connection, so I'm just trying
Okay,
my.
okay. Open your camera. Can't you open your camera?
Yeah, this is a PC. Unless I join through my phone.
I can't understand what you are saying. Yes, Francis, what you were saying, I can't understand.
Yeah, my network is a little bit slow. It has just rained here. I've been
Okay,
trying.
right. Francis, did you install that MS Access? I told you that day MS Access.
Yes, Excel, right?
Access, not Excel. MS Access, ACCESS.
Yes, I
I
installed
typed,
the full package of Microsoft Word.
see, I'm typing here. Just tell me if it is there in your software, MS Office.
Yes, I have it.
It is there. You have it. Okay. And can you join from that system? Will you be able to join from that system?
I have. Yes, I can switch to my computer in order to join.
You have internet on that computer?
Yes, I have a Wi-Fi.
Okay. Okay. So today we'll start with C language. Okay. Or you want to do that MS Access first? Tell me. You join from your you computer and open that MS Access.
We can start with this. Yes, I've
Sorry.
opened it.
Okay. No, like this, I won't be able to see. If you join from the meeting from your computer and then you share the screen, then it is a better option. So, will you be able to do that or not?
Yes, yes, I'm joining from the screen.
Okay.
Yes, I have joined now from my computer.
Now you open that MS Access and then share your screen. Yes, Norbert, please
Yes, please.
open your camera. Open your camera. Norbert, have you joined from your system?
Not really. My
Joined
system
from?
is powered from
Sorry,
mobile.
from
I'm
mobile.
using mobile.
Okay,
Yeah.
right. Do you have this MS Access on your mobile?
No, it's not
No.
there.
Yes,
Mm.
Francis, what happened? You were trying to connect.
Yeah, my network is on and off. I keep losing my signals.
Sorry, what happened? What happened, Francis? What are you saying? Are you able to connect?
Yeah, my network is on
Open
and
that
off. I keep
software.
losing my signals.
You are not able to open that on your system, you are saying.
It's coming.
Yes,
Is it
yes, very
visible
good,
now?
very good. This is what I wanted. Yeah, good, good. Here we have to create. See, what is MS Access? MS Access is this is a database basically. Okay, database is collection of data, right? Collection of records,
Yes.
right? So here we have to first open a blank database. So it is showing you you want to connect or you want to open database or you want to open some templates. Template means ready-made styles. Okay, so first we will start with open database, blank database. Okay, so you open that blank database on your screen, you go to access and you go to new, yeah, blank, go to new. Yes, new on the left hand side, this is new. Yes, new blank desktop database. Here you have database, or here you see on the top also. Yes, you can create like this also, users and then Francis, right? Okay, create, click on create. Yes, okay. Now this is database. Database means collection of tables. And what is table? Table is collection of records. Clear? So here in one database, MS Access is used to create database, like MS PowerPoint is used to create presentation. MS Excel is used to create sheets. Okay, for mathematical formulas, for charts. Same way, Word is used to create some document, and MS Access is used to create database. Database is collection of tables. What is workbook in Excel? Workbook is collection of worksheets, and here this is a collection of tables. Okay, so here first of all it is showing table 1. Can you see that? Table 1 new, and this. Okay, so now what is table? Table is collection of some fields, some column. Is it clear? Like in Excel we create a table, name, roll number, these are the columns. Okay, so first we create the structure of a table, right? Structure means the columns and what kind of data they will hold. So here I have to tell that I am creating table 1, and in this table 1 I will have these column name, and this is their data type. Data type means what kind of data they will hold. They will hold numeric data, they will hold text data. Okay, they will hold currency data, some type of currency. So this type of information, first of all, we will create a structure of table here. Okay. So this is the first column where new is written. That is ID. Okay. And then you click here where this is written, click to add. Click here. Yeah. Here you have to see. Here you have to give their data type. This ID will be of, I want this ID to be as number, or text, date or time, currency, what kind of information it will have. Okay, what kind of data it will have. So suppose if you write here auto, you type here auto,
Yeah.
type auto, auto number. It is not taking auto number.
Type auto number.
Where this yellow is written, there you type auto. On this yellow, click to add. Here,
This one.
here, yeah, here, click, yeah. This is field 1, auto number. This is not showing. Okay, you click on the next. Click on the next. No, next row. Next row. Bring your cursor in the next row. Where new is written. Where new is written in that cell. Here, yes. Here you type name. You what you do? You go to. You come out of this table. Come outside this table. Click outside this table. Anywhere outside
No.
this table. Click
Yes, I've
outside this
clicked
table.
outside.
Right. Yeah. Right now your cursor is in this table, na?
Still inside the table.
On the in the left side, you click here in the left side. In the left panel, where table 1 is written. Yeah, click here. Right click on
I've
this
clicked.
table 1. Here go to design view. Yes, click here. Okay, table 1. Okay. Okay. Now here you have to type the different fields name, and then on the data type you have to mention the data type. So first field it will take automatically as ID, and its data type is auto number. Okay. And there in the second row where field 1 is written, come here. Yes. Here you type name. Yes, type name. Yes. And its data type will be short text. Come to the next row. Next row below that name.
It's not
The name you supplied is a okay. You make it small. NAME, make it small.
small letters.
It is, yeah, type this name in small letters. It is not accepting small. Now come, still it is not taking. And make this N also as a small. Hmm. Now come to the next row. Name one. You make it name one.
The same.
Just write one after this. Name one. Or first name. You make it first name as. No, don't type this one. Before name, you write F, capital F. Before name, yes, here you type capital F. Yeah. Now come to the
Huh?
next row. Next row. This is
Same.
fine. I am taking name as short text. Okay, because if it contains short text,
Okay.
some one or two words, so that is why I'm taking as its data type as short text. Clear? Come to the next row.
Yes.
Below F name, yeah, here you type enroll. Now type enroll, like for enrollment number you type enroll ROL underscore
Like that.
underscore underscore symbol. You don't have it on your keyboard. Underscore after zero.
Underscore.
After zero, you have to press shift
Me.
plus that key there. That is in underscore shift. No, this is dash. Press the same key with shift. Yeah, this is underscore. Enroll num. No, this is dash. You have to type that underscore. Shift plus this key. What you did earlier before this, Francis? Underscore. Yes, num.
That's right.
Num. Yeah. Now come to the next column, data type column. So, what can be the data type of this enroll num? Data type means what kind of information it may store. So, either your enrollment number will be in some numbers, okay, or it may have some characters also, right? Sometimes in enrollment number you have some A, B, C, some characters also. So you can take it as short text also, or you can take it as number also. So whichever data type you want, both will work. Suppose we take it as short text, whatever data type, number or short text. Okay, okay, this short text is okay. Come to next row. Below that enrollment number, yes, here. Okay, now here you type D underscore B O underscore B DOB, date of birth. DOB.
D. Oh, you mean D?
D date of birth. For date
Come
of
again.
birth type DOB.
D. Oh.
B, yes.
Then underscore.
No need of underscore. You can take D underscore O underscore B, or you can just write DOB. Yes. Come to the next data type.
Special text.
Yeah. What is DOB? DOB will be in date and time. Okay. This will not be in number. So its data type will be date and time. So you click on this down arrow. Yeah. Here you have date and time. Yes. You have to select this. Right. Now again, next row. Type address. Yes. What will be its its data type. Complete this now.
Short text.
Yeah. Now address can be long also. Long also. I am assuming that address can be some long address also. So I will take long text here. Will not be short. It can be long text, right? Okay. Next. Next row. Then write fees. Fees. Yes. What will be its data type? Currency.
Number.
Its
Currency.
data type will be currency. Yes. Currency, currency. Yes. Yes. Currency. Next, fees paid.
Sorry.
Type fees. Type fees underscore. No, there should not be any space. There should not be any space. So we type underscore instead of space. Yeah. Fees paid. Yeah. It looks good. Okay. Now its data type will be yes or no. Okay. So come to that data type. Down, click on this. Yes. Here you have this. No, no, no. Yeah. Yes or no. Right. Yes or no. Checkbox. Next row. Here write photo. And here I will attach a photo. So here I am creating a table of students, their name, their address, and their photo also. So here I will attach a photo of the student. So here I will take as attachment. Very good.
Attachment.
Yeah. So this is the structure of your table you have created. Okay. And now this is done, and this is the design view of your table. Now go to view. In the ribbon you have that view option.
This one.
Yes, click here. Yeah, data sheet view. This is the design view. Now go to data sheet view. Yeah.
You must first save the
Now
table.
you save this table first. Yes, save this table. Table 1. Now this is the, see, it is created a table. Here you can fill the records. Okay. It has created a table and it has saved this with what name? Table 1. This is the name of the table you have given. Okay, now here first is ID. ID is auto number. Okay, auto number is what I took. Auto number means it will keep on increasing its value 1, 2, 3 automatically. Okay, it will keep on increasing the value automatically. Now come to this F name where auto is typed.
Okay.
In F name column.
I'm sorry.
In F name column where auto is written, come click there. You have to fill the values, fill the records here. In design view, you create the structure. Here you will fill the records. Now you enter your name. Yes, you enter your name here. Delete this and enter your name. Delete this auto. Yes. Now you type your name, some enrollment number, you know, 123, something like that. You can type in the enrollment number. DOB. Yes. In DOB, type some date. Okay. Type some address. Fees. Paid checkbox. If yes, right. Next column is attachment.
Question.
Next column is attachment.
Question. I have a question.
Yes,
Hello. So does it
yes,
does
yes.
it
Tell.
specify fees on does it only specify fees on the dollar currency only?
Specified. Come again. I didn't get you.
The fees
Specified what?
the fees currency. I'm seeing it's only giving me in dollars.
Yes. We can change this, but that we'll do later. We can change this also.
Okay.
Go to design view. Okay. Now first you simply do this thing. Okay. First you create this table. Then we'll see what we can do. Go to the next column after fees paid. Fees paid. You have that attachment. Yes. Here you. Yeah. Here. Click here.
I have finished to attach the photo. Hello?
Yes, yes.
The photo has been attached.
Okay. And okay, now record, enter one more record here. This here you have entered one record in the table. Okay. Now enter one more record. Did you get it?
Yeah?
These are the column names. F name, enrollment number, DOB, and this Francis address. This is your record, first record in the table. Now same way, enter one more record in the table.
Yes. Why do we use F name?
That's why it's just a field to represent first name, something like that.
So I can use any letter.
Yeah, you can write first name in full, or just that's in short.
Yes, Francis. Enter one more. Yeah, you have entered. Okay, good. Okay, what you have to do now? Go to design view. Okay, first you add whatever you want to add.
Said I go to design view.
Yes. Okay. Now
So this is
you click on enroll number, enrollment number. Yeah. Here you see in the down, you can see this field properties.
yes.
So here we can set some properties related to these fields. First, I just told you how to create a database, how to create a table, how to save this table, how we can enter records in that table. Okay. Now I am telling you how we can set some properties of these columns. Okay. So first is enrollment number. Now here in the down, you have just a second. Primary key. See, there is one primary key icon
This one.
in the down in that. Just, yeah,
Click on
select
primary.
this. Yes, clicked on that. Yes, can you see that primary key icon? Can you see this
This one.
primary key icon in the left of this enrollment number? What is the meaning of this primary key? Primary key is
Yes.
now this value cannot be duplicated. This will be the unique value for each student, right? No two students can have one primary key. Okay, the same enrollment number, isn't it? No two students can have same enrollment number. Every student will have a unique enrollment number. So primary key means this, in this column it will not accept duplicate value. If you will try to enter the same enrollment number in two records, it will not accept. Is it clear? Yes, Francis, is it clear? Yeah, so this is the meaning of primary key. Okay, so here we have set this
Primary
enrollment
key.
number as primary key. Okay, so that means now you can see in this field properties there is one called as index field. One is index field. See, and can you see that indexed? Yes, Norbert, please open your camera.
This one.
See, in the field properties, there is index is written. Field properties down in the down field properties.
Yeah, I see.
I'm talking about in the down after this table, below this table. Can you see that field properties table? General and lookup. Below this,
Yes.
yeah. This,
This
yeah,
one.
this I'm talking about. Here you see that indexed below this,
Yeah.
below. Come down, come down.
Yes. This
Yes,
indexed.
here. So when you select it as primary key, you see its value is set as no duplicates. So as I said, primary key means no duplicates. You click
Yes.
on any other field. You click on any other field in your table. Yeah. Now you see, is it written in index? No, no duplicates. Is it written in the index field? Down in the field. Yeah, here
No.
it is written no duplicates. No. But when
Just
you
written.
click on enroll, no, no
Yes.
written. It's written no. It's not indexed. And when you click on enroll number,
Yes.
Now it shows this is,
It says
click
no
here, it shows
duplicate.
yes,
Yes,
no
no
duplicate.
duplicate.
This is
Yes,
index
yes,
and no duplicate.
brackets, no
Okay,
duplicate.
right? So that means where we choose the
Yes,
primary key, in that field it will not accept duplicate values. Clear?
yes.
Right? Okay. Now what about, this is the second field. First is the ID field, before that F name. Come up. Yes, up, 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 up.
Yeah.
Before that F name
Come.
you have auto ID. ID field. One ID field was there, na? You took one ID field. These fields only it is showing. It is not showing any other field. Did you delete that? Maybe.
Not sure.
Show me that. Show me that data sheet view. Click on this table one. Right click on this table one. Yeah. Right click
This
here.
one.
Yeah. Right click. Save this table. Yeah. Save this. Now here you see when you are in. Yeah. Click on data sheet view. It is not showing data sheet. Okay. You go to that view and click on data sheet view. Here. Yes. Data sheet. Save the table. Yes. Here it is showing ID field. Why it is not showing this ID field in that design view? Go to design view. You can go to design view using right click on this table one also. When you will click on this table one, right click. Here also it will show you that option. Design view.
This. Yeah, this is what it's showing.
ID. Why it is not showing that ID above this F name? Okay. Now you add one more column in this table, class. Add one more column, class.
Here.
Add one more column in this table, class.
How do I do that?
In design view, obviously, where you can create columns in design view. In data sheet view, you can enter records, isn't it?
Okay, I got it.
Got it?
Yes. Data type should. Data type should be short text.
Just a second. No, there is. Okay, you take text, yes. Now, when you are in this class, you go to this field properties, go to this field properties in the down, and here in the default value, there is one default value. Can you see that default value? Fourth row here, default value in this field properties. Come down, come down, come down.
This one, yes.
Below this
I
caption,
see.
yeah. Here, yeah. Here you type, give some default value. No, suppose you type
Y-
semester 1, sem 1.
On this default value.
Yeah, you type some value, class 1, class 2, class 3, anything, whatever you want. Suppose you are creating this for class third students. Okay, you can write third only. You write third only.
Class 1.
Yes, okay, class 1. So this is default value. What is default value? Default value means even if you will not type anything in this field, it will take this value as class 1. Why we are taking this? Suppose I am creating a table of students of class 1. So I don't want to type class for all the students because I know that there are 50 students in my class, and for all of them the value should be class 1. So I want that it should take this value automatically. I don't want to type this for every record. Getting my point, Francis? Norbert? Yes? Okay. So when I don't
Yes.
want to type, I want
Yes,
that it
please.
should take this value by default automatically. Okay. So there I give this default value. So I whether I type this or not, if I want to change this, I can. But if I don't type this, it will take this value 1 for all the students because I know that all the students belong to one class only. So why to type this for each and every 50 students or 100 student? Got it? So here in
Yes.
this field properties, we can set the properties for all the fields. Like for enrollment number, we have set as primary key. For class, we have set as default value. Now we go to, I show you one more example. Now suppose if I take DOB, go to this DOB, click on this DOB here. Okay. Now here I want to apply some rule. Go to this validation rule now. Here, yes. Here, what you type that this, what do you want? That this, whatever DOB you type, this should be less than the current date, isn't it? It should be less than the current date. The date of birth of the students will be less than the current date. It cannot be after 9th October. It will be less than 9th October to 2023. Yes or no, Norbert?
Pardon?
The date of birth of the students will be less than the current date,
Yes.
right? So I want this validation rule. Type here less than sign, type here less than sign, and now type date. Yes. Okay, type date and yes, click here date. Come outside now. Click on this date, blue, where blue date is showing. Click here.
This one?
Yeah, this one. Okay. Now We have applied three rules to three columns. Now you go to data sheet view.
Design view.
This is design view. Go to data sheet view now. Save the table. Yes. Yes.
In-
Okay. Which expression is typed? DOB. Okay. Okay. Say okay. What you do? Show help. Show help. Okay. Say okay. I tell you what happened. Now, again, you try to save this. Existing, say no. I will tell you what it is saying. Say no. Now it has taken. Why? Okay. Now go to data sheet view. Now what is
Save.
happening here? What you have done? Have you taken some common value? No. Okay. And date of birth is less than current date, right? And auto id is, it will automatically change because its data type was auto number, so you don't need to enter value in this field. It will
Yes.
change the value automatically. Now you try to enter
Yes.
a new record. Just a second, just a second.
Okay.
Yeah, can you listen me now?
Yes. Yes, please.
Okay, now what I'm saying, we will enter a new record. Okay, and go to next record. I will tell you what you have to do.
Yeah.
Yeah, enter the new record in new. Yes, here it will take the value itself. Yes, here you type some name. Okay, now in the next field, go to the next field. Here you try to type the same value what you have written for Francis. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 8 9. See what it does. Go to next. Okay, now here you try to type some like 10th October 23. Hmm. Right, and then some other values you can type. Type some value here. Leave it blank. Leave some value blank also. Yes. Go to next one. Next call. Next. Yeah. Go to next one. See, in the class, it has taken the default value itself. You didn't type it because you
Yes.
set default value, so it has filled that value itself. Okay.
Okay.
Now you
Yes.
go to the design view. You save this first. Save this and go to design view. See, it is showing is not successful because you are trying to create duplicate value in the index primary key. Are you getting this message now? What you are doing? You have taken enrollment number as primary key. That means you cannot give duplicate values. We don't want, maybe some data entry operator can type the same enrollment number for two students, but it cannot be same, right?
Yes. Yes.
Enrollment number cannot be same, so that is why it is showing message that it cannot accept it. Now you delete 1 8 out of this. There are 2 8, delete 1 8. Now you try to save it
Saved.
because you have given different value. But now why it is taking the value greater than in DOB? Go to that design view. It has not taken that DOB condition. Yes. Here where you have written date, put round brackets after this. Open round bracket and then close round bracket after date. In this field properties, yes. Remove that single code. Why you have put that single code here? Yes.
Just put round.
Now, okay. Now, okay. First, now you don't do anything. First, you save it. It is
It,
taking that single code itself.
yes.
Okay. Now you put round bracket after this, after date.
Yeah.
Here. Open round bracket and close round bracket. Yes. And remove this single code. Okay. Now save this. Data to be tested with the new rules. No. Say no. Or yes. Now go to data sheet view. Now you just go to next record and type the date, today's date. Where that new record is not saved. You didn't save that.
Okay.
It's
Or
there,
it is saved.
the
Yeah,
second one.
yeah, it's second one. Now you go to that date DOB, DOB field. Yeah. In the new record, or maybe in the same new record. Okay. Now here you again type 10th October 23 or any date after this. Save this now. See, it is showing this is not a valid rule. Okay. So that means we created a table, then we put some condition. What conditions? First of all, in class, I said take the default value because I know that class value will remain same for all the students. Clear, both of you?
Yes.
Then I put this enrollment number as primary key. That means it will not take duplicate values in enrollment number. That it is not accepting. That we have seen. Clear this
Yes.
point?
Yes.
Then third condition I put the date should not be greater than the current date. So now if I put a value greater than the current date, it does not accept that. It shows me errors. It will accept only when I make it 8. You make it 8, then it will accept it. Make this date 8 instead of 10. Yes, now save it. It is saying that you have not put enrollment number, because whichever field I take as a primary key, it does not accept a duplicate value also, and it does not leave that column blank also. So you have
Yes.
to enter value in the enrollment number field here. See, it is not saving it. Now you type some unique value here, right? Now you save it. Now it
Saved.
is saved. Okay. So in design view, when we go to design view, we can give the fields name, we can give its data type, we can apply some validation rules also. Okay. Like if I have taken, go to DAV, it's DAV now. Okay. Now here, go to number, some short number. I mean, where I have taken short number where I've not taken numbered anywhere. Okay. Go to fees. Here, see decimal places. If you want, you can set the decimal places also here. Yes. Click on this dot. Yes, here. So you can set how many, up to how many places you want after decimal. Okay, two places, one place, whatever. That also you can set. So like that, you can set these. Go to format. Yes. Now go to this, click this. Yes. Here you can set which euro you want or which style you want. Okay, fixed or standard or like that, right? So you can, basically how you can create a table, you can set its fields, you can put some rule here. Okay, go to that data sheet view now. Okay, now you can, no, like for enrollment number, DOB, you can increase or decrease the width of these fields also. Like for fee paid, you can reduce its width. For fee paid column, go to fee paid, fees paid, and you can reduce it width. You know how we do it in Excel. Click on this. No, not here. On this border. On this border. Then you can drag it. No, this is sorting. We can do the sorting also. But on the border, like on this line, column line. No, not here. In that fees paid column only. How we do it
Yes.
in Excel? We yeah, we can drag it. We can pick up. Yeah, you can drag it left or right. You know this line. No, no, no,
Like that.
no. This was the movement of the field. This is, you are moving it from left to right. That you can do. Yes. Then when you get that cross, like that. Yes. Here you. How we do it in Excel? Don't you know how we reduce and increase the? We just stretch this. We can increase the width of rows, or we can increase or decrease the. Okay, you try it yourself. Okay, so this I have told you how we can create a table, how we can put values, how we can put conditions. Okay, what is primary key, and go to that class column. class. Here you try to change this where class 1 is written, you try to change it class 2 or 3. Hmm. Type here class anything else, class 5, class 6, whatever. Now you save it.
Save.
It's saved. Okay, so that means default value is like if you don't type it, it will take it automatically. But if you want, you can type it and change it. It's not that you cannot change it. Okay, and
Okay.
for the first field where you type that ID, go to the first field in the left side. Yes, this ID is your auto number. Auto number means you are not typing, but it will increase and decrease it automatically.
Yes.
And on the F name, you have applied sorting. That is why it is sorting according to the names. Okay,
Yes.
got it. So if you remove this sorting, if you want to change it, so in whichever way you can do, like we do in Excel. Clear?
Yes. Yes.
Right? So this is about MS Access. Tomorrow we'll start with C programming language, and the extension of this file is MDB. MDB is your database file. And here in this database you can create many tables, because database is collection of tables. Here you have created only one table. So in this same file you can create, no, there can be one student table, there can be one teacher table. Okay, so there can
Yes.
be many tables in one database because database is collection of tables.
Okay.
Clear? And
Yes.
MDB is the extension of this database file, MS Access database. Nowadays, this is very old. So we use SQL, Oracle, we use many other. No, this is Access database. Right? Clear, Norbert,
Okay.
please?
Yes.
Yeah, so tomorrow we'll start with the programming. Okay, now only programming topic is left in this. We have done MS PowerPoint, MS Excel, MS Word, MS Access. Okay, all these we have done, and now we'll do the programming part from tomorrow. Right?
Okay.
Yes, yes, Norbert, please tell me. Unmute yourself, you are mute.
Like if you want to create something like a form, how do you do it in Access?
How to create a form?
Yes.
Okay, you want to do that? Fine, we will do that. No problem. Okay, now you have to go to form. In create tab, go to form. Yes, here, go to form. Here you have form design.
Form design. Yes.
Yes. So you can go to form design. There are many ways. You can go to form design also. You can go to blank form also. You can go to form wizard also. Okay. So first we go to design, form design.
Yes.
Okay. So here now you can drag using mouse and adjust the length and width of your form. So here you can add the text box, label, hyperlinks, all that you can do. Okay, so first I'll tell you the simple one so that you can start. Go to form wizard.
Sorry. Come again.
Form wizard. Go to form. Create. Go to create. And here go to form wizard. Can you see that? Form wizard. After this,
Form.
blank
This
form.
one.
Yes,
Please.
yes. Here. Click here. Right. Here it will ask you which columns you want to show in your form. Okay, now I want to show, if I want to show all, I will click on this double arrow, double less than symbol. All the columns will come here.
This
Click on
one?
this. Yes. See? Okay. If I don't want all this, again click this down less than symbol. Double one. Yes. Double,
Double.
double. All are back. Now, if I want to select one by one, I want to select F name. So click on this F name. Click on this single greater than sign. Okay, this is there. Then click any one, no fees or anyone you can select. TOB, anyone you can select, address, whatever. Click on that. Yes. Okay. Now click on photo also. Click on photo also. Yes. Okay. Now next, go to next. Now in which way you want this form? Column form. Yes. Click on next. Okay. Now what name you want to give it? Table 1? No, I want to give it form 1. Type the name form 1. Form. And then click on finish.
Yeah, it's already.
Already an open form. Okay, give it some name, form 2. It is, this name is already given to some form 2. Click on finish. Okay, so this is how, whichever columns you created, it will show that records value in this form. And then again you can increase or decrease the width of this, no, where compila is written. Can you drag this box, reduce its width from its border? Yes, you can reduce its length and width also.
It's not. Just
Go to design tab. Go to design tab. In the form view, click on this form 2. Yes, here it is already there. Form 2. Yes, this is form 2. Design tab, design view. Go to this design view. Yes. Now here you can reduce the width. Okay, in the design view, you can increase or decrease the width. Now drag this. Yeah, you can change its position. You can, yes, this is how you can, from this text value where address is written.
yeah.
Yeah, here this box also you reduce its width. Okay, so I'm just telling you, this is how you can design your form yourself. You can increase or decrease, you can change the position, right? Yes, now you go to view, click on that form 2, right click on that form 2. Yes, now go to save this form view. Yes, can you see now this is reduced? Yes, Norbert, please. So you can simply design a form. It will show all the records. How it will show all the records? In the down, you can see those arrows, 1 of 5. Click on this next arrow. After 1 of 6 is written, click here in the down. Below this picture, can you see 1 of 6? Yeah. Click on this right arrow. After this, yeah, click here. It will show the second record. click, it is showing 2 of 6. So it is showing total 6 records are there. This is the second record. Click on the next. This is the third record. 3 of
Yeah.
6. Okay.
Yes.
So if you will make a proper form, so okay, getting it. So this is how you have created a table, you have created a database, then you have created a form where you can see all the records you have entered in that table. Am I clear, Norbert, please?
Yes.
Anything else? Done?
A query.
You want to do query also? I think it is not in your syllabus. That is why I was not telling you.
Okay.
Fine, if you want to learn, we can do that. Okay, now go to create tab. Yeah, here we see what we can create, Francis, what we can create in MS Access. We can create a table also, we can create forms also, we can create query also. Okay, first of all, it should be clear to you. We can create all these objects in the MS Access. Now we can create query using query wizard also and query design also. You choose any one, go to query wizard. Yes. New query. Yes. We simple query wizard. Okay. Now we will take the query, the result of query from, you tell me, Norbert, please.
So, ID, name, and
Table 1. Okay. This will be fetch data from table 1. And what are the available field? Again, I can take only those field which you have shown here. What you took in your form, you can select any 2, 3 columns. Name, suppose you take name. Okay, right. And then next. Okay, click on next. This is every field of every record or summary. So whichever you want, you can choose. Choose any
Go to
one of
next.
them and next. Click on next. In your query result, click summary option and choose fields to summarize. You yes. Click on next. Open the query to new information. Now you give it name query 1. Remove this table 1, just write query 1. Query 1 and finish. Okay. Okay, this is again given to already. Sub query is there. Click on query, write 2 or make it 11, whatever. Yes, finish.
Isn't a valid query
Choose
name?
a
Let's
different
choose.
name. Yes, sorry.
Saying we choose a different name.
You type some other name. Go to back. Click on back and then click on next. Now, whatever it is taking by default, click on finish. Okay. So now this is your query. Okay. So this is basically why we use queries, because like you can see, like this is looking same like table, but the thing is that in table we cannot apply formula, but in queries we can apply formulas. That is why we create queries. Okay.
Yes.
So right, so in design view they both look same, right? So this is the objects we can create in MS Access. Okay, you have already done that, Norbert, please.
something else.
Yes.
Well, like when I want to create a query that only shows people, the people come from Kampala, from one address. How do I do
Yes.
that?
Now you tell me. You have already done this. You tell me.
I think we go to query design.
Yes. Go to query design. Hmm. Queries. Click on queries. Hmm. Bring this up. Tell him, Norbert, please tell him what to do next.
You click on
Sorry, come again.
add from that pop-up. You remove the pop-up thing. There's this box which came up here. You remove it.
Hmm?
If I go back and open query design again, yes, click on add.
The box pop
Yes,
up.
then now you remove the where from where you clicked add. No, this box here which came up.
Yes.
You close.
I close this box.
Yes, yeah, and then no, that can you leave that one. But ma'am, that's all I can do. I don't know the other
Click
how
on
to
this
fill the other
field.
ones.
Click on this field. Down arrow. Select address. Then go to this criteria. Here, type that city name, Kampala, whatever you have written. Okay. And then save it and run it. Query 2. Okay. Save it. Run it. Click on run. There, run is written after view. Yes. See, now it is showing only address, which is now whichever fields I will select in that design view, you have to give the criteria and then you have to run. Go to that query 2 and design view. Yeah, here this query 3 is created. Query 3 is created. Anyways, which fields you have taken, F name. Okay, so from here you can select that criteria. Norbert, please.
Yes, select ID. The
Next, go.
next to the right of the field
Yes.
from the field line.
This one.
Yeah,
Yes,
here.
then you
Click on
select
F,
name,
F
Name.
name.
name. Mm.
Yeah, go to next. Here select city or address,
Address.
and here you write criteria in the criteria box, Kampala. In this below address
And
only, yes, here. Now you run this query. Okay. Okay. So now what
Yes.
is happening,
yes,
Francis? Query means if you don't want to see all the record, you want to see some selected records, some selected columns, so that you can put in that query, and whatever criteria you will give, that it will show. So there you written show me all the ID, show me all the name, but only for the address where city is Kampala. So it is showing the ID, name, where address is Kampala. Is it clear, Francis?
yes,
Francis, is it clear to you?
Yes, it's clear.
So query means like there are so many records in the table, but you don't want to see all the record. You want to see some selected records, so that you can give the criteria and which fields you want to see and on which criteria you want to see. Clear,
Yes.
both of you?
Yes.
So
Yes.
this is complete today. Tomorrow we'll start with C programming. I expect that both of you should be ready with C compiler. Right, Francis? Like today you are ready with this MS Access.
Yes. What so what should
Tomorrow
I
you
be
should
ready with?
C compiler. There are
C
many
compiler.
compile.
As a
Yeah,
software.
there are many compilers available for C, free of cost on the internet. And if you want to install any one of them, you can install. And if you want, you can run this online compiler also for C. So I'll be telling you the programs, and you will run this program on that C compiler. Clear?
Yes.
yes,
Okay. So be ready with that C compiler tomorrow, right?
Okay.
You can
Yes.
stop
yes, ma'am.
sharing the screen. Stop sharing. Okay.
Uh,